concentrated serums. So good for your skin.
Thank you. Does anything else go into making the serum, or is it just the secretion?
Just the secretions and just a preservative in order to help it preserve for longer shelf life.
So in your skincare routine, what order should the serum be? After cleansing and then serum?
So after cleansing, this one.
What about this one?
And next is day cream, right? During the day, day cream. So you cannot put directly, you need a spatula to make it clean, right? And this is a very light texture. During the day, you don't put sticky things on your face, right? So it's like a jelly texture.
Makes sense in a climate like Thailand where the Philippines are doing.
So after the serum, put this on. Yeah.
What makes it pink?
Just the color, just a light color.
It feels amazing.
Ma'am, can you just give her a little bit?
Yeah.
Very cool.
Hey guys, we are here and we were tasting the products that are made from the snail serum. They just told us about it. We had our little buddies over there, and now we are in India. We're experiencing
final product.
Yes.
Yes. And don't forget this.
And like we us beauty queens know the importance of skincare because of course we wear makeup all day, right girls? And so having a perfect base really makes all the difference. So we really invest into skincare. So it's so nice to learn about the stuff that's made from snail serum. Can't wait to try that.
Yeah, and all products contain snail secretion filtrate as the key ingredients.
Yeah. Let's give it a try.
Yeah, that sounds great.
Looking at
We should have used this when we were waiting for the walk.
I know.
Yeah.
Out in their habitat.
Yeah.
It's so hot
Yeah.
and sunny. Exactly. Thank you. And now you put this on your face, your whole body.
Yes.
Is it for the face only or for the body?
Can put on the body, but it's kind of expensive to put on the whole body.
Do you have it in sheet masks? Yes. I am obsessed with sheet masks. Here's a whitening face mask.
Yeah, you have two kinds. This is anti-wrinkle and this is whitening face
What
mask.
difference?
Or besides, they have 20 drops of this in the packet. And then we put a lot of things, a lot of ingredients. This one we get a vitamin C to make your face white. And this one has other things. We have stem cell, apple stem cells in here. Like a,
Okay, wait.
How long?
Bye.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much.
But must have your sunscreen.
yeah.
I like the night cream actually. That's the one that has the gelish feel to it.
The day
The day cream, yeah.
How's Thailand been so far?
Great.
So
Amazing. Yeah, everyone's been so welcoming, and you know, I feel like I haven't traveled far from home, from the Philippines. Like everyone feels like we're a part of their family. Yeah.
This is live on Miss Universe right now. What are you going to say to the fans?
Hi, friends.
Nails names.
I don't know where these are. This is Philippines, so that why are you trying to promote?
Which snail would win Miss Universe?
I guess that one of the most. I think it's one of the underdogs down there. The one they're planning it down there. They're planning how they're gonna win.
One is the leader of the family.
Or he's the hungriest.
Oh, he's like, where's the food?
Where's the food?
There's no food in there. It's so interesting to think that someone one day said, you know what, let's look at snails for beauty products.
Yeah.
Like, who would have thought?
Interesting.
I would love to.
Yeah, I'm feeling the Thailand heat.
This is Thai snail.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, say goodbye to the fans.
Okay.
Bye.